Okay, here we are a couple hours later, and the bed is clean, as you can see. That's a trash bag filled with leaves that came out of it. Of course, you can see the bed. But I'm showing you what this looks like now. Oops. The trees, the rocks, uh, are all to keep the cardboard in place. We'll get to the cardboard in a minute. But as you can see, the bed is clean. I haven't really, I just cut off everything that was really, really dead. And I could without really getting in there, which means some other time. And I put up a trellis. This is the trellis that had been at the other end of the garage, right by the other walkway. And okay, so that's what that looks like. Give me a minute. Okay, so I wanted to go ahead and show you this is the yard and the watermelon patch where the original vine was. Oh, this. Look at that. Look at the size of that sucker. This is one of my this past year's basil, sweet basil bushes. Look how tall that thing is. It's taller than the middle of the fence. Anyway, on back. My grapevines along the fence and everything around the yard, as far as we can just see, just a 360 view. Okay? So, all of this cardboard that's all down here, except for these two new boxes. This is all cardboard that I moved from one place to the other. That's a lot. Practically cleaned up the yard in the process. So what's going to happen is that this is going to be my border, and I'm going to take big pots like that pot there, that pot over there, and this pot here, and my 4 grapevines, and position them, two grapevines in the corner, and in here and here, because they need a good light all the way around, not blocking the way, but every so far. Like, there'll be a grapevine here and one there, and then probably the big pot like here, and then so forth and so on down the line. That way I can use some of the light that I'll get, and then the rest on the patio. But I'm not planning on digging up the yard again. Last thing though I'm thinking about now is this section right here is where I had started a place to dig, and was really putting good soil. Putting the scraps in the soil, making the compost and everything of it. So I have to decide what I'm really going to do about this. It's from that postmark there all the way down to at the edge of what you can see.